doing
Oh, tak apa.
Astagfirullah. Sorry.
Alhamdulillah, sejuk perut mak mengandung. Bagusnya lah. Wah, bakal-bakal menantu semua ni. Okey,
Alright.
siapa nak present dulu ni? Wakil ke?
I'll start first.
Okay.
Okay. We are Group 7 and today we are going to present our project called Sport Equipment Rental Hub, and these are our group member, Muhammad Adam, Ifan Danish, myself, Muhammad Izzuddin, Muhammad Arif, Muhammad Amar, lastly Mustafa Hanif Haidar. Next
Okay, dah
slide.
record kan? Okay, good. Okay, boleh proceed.
The main idea of this project is to use the AI to improve the way of sports equipment is rented, managed, and tracked. This can be applied in many places such as community centers, schools, university, or small sports hubs. For today's presentation, we will cover 5 main parts, which is the first one we will explain about our project. Second, we will explain the problem. The third one, we will explain the solution. And the fourth one, the impact on the community. And last one, our demonstration video. For brief overview, our project is AI-powered and mobile-first application. This means that system is mainly designed for mobile user, and it is include AI feature to make the rental process smarter. So our application help to solve this by giving the user real-time information. For example, if a user want to rent a badminton racket, the application will only show the places that provide the badminton racket rental itself. It can also suggest the nearest available rental location, so the user doesn't have to search manually or go to many places. Now I'll pass to the next presenter to explain the problem statement.
Okay, so I will explain it for a problem statement. Our problem statement have 5, which is high rate of the problem right now we're facing in sport rental is high rate of loss and theft, untracked asset degradation. Basically, like if you have a hockey stick, usually hockey stick lasts about 3 years, but usually the rental company will not track that stick, and usually it will break in the middle of the games, etc. They will increase this will increase the safety of their players. So next is inequitable availability. There's poorly to distribution, and maybe some equipment have used more than the others and cause prohibitive current system and missy solution. Next slide. Okay, so this is our question. So basically it's talking about a prediction of equipment on the peak hours, and the algorithm recommends item based on the past rental habits, and AI adjusts booking fees according to the neighborhood density. And lastly is how algorithm forecasts equipment maintenance service to ensure safety and sustainabilities. And I will pass the next speaker.
I will talking about the start from the user story. So let's start for looking from the perspective of the user that rent the equipment. The first, as a user, I want to view a real-time availability so I can make better decisions. There is nothing more frustrating than showing up a community center or sports hub only to find out all the tennis rackets or basketballs that we want to borrow is already taken or sold or something like that. And by seeing what's available right on their phone, the users can plan their activities without guessing which tool is available. And second, as a user, I want AI recommendations so I can choose efficiently. Sometimes user will want to try a new sport or need a quick suggestions based on what is currently on the stock. We want the system to help guide to help them to the right equipment instantly. And for the next, I will present about the admin user story from the admin side. So the first one is, as an admin, I want demand forecasting so I can plan resource. Instead of guessing what equipment will be popular this weekend, admins need data big forecast. If badminton is trending, they needed to be prepared. And second, as an admin, I want automated alerts to avoid shortages or waste when the Sport Hub staff are busy. Instead of doing manual inventory checks all day, the system should automatically notify them when a certain item is running out or if something has been kept for too long. And for the AI perspective, the first one is the system predict demand. By analyzing historical data and rental habits, the AI can forecast peak hours and ensure the right equipment is ready before the rush even happens. The second, the system provides recommendation. It actively engages with users, suggesting items or field based on their past activities, helping them to boost overall physical activity in the community. And the last one, the system automates decision support by setting up smart rule-based alerts, and AI takes heavy lifting of the admins. It monitors stock levels, tracks wear and tear, and notifies staff only when action is actually required. That's all for me. I'll pass to another next presenter.
Alright, and I'm going to talk about the AI implementation. For the first thing, to kick off this year, we are using a rule-based logic. This handle our heart condition instantly detecting things like the lost stock, product expiry, and system limits. And for the method algorithm that we are using, first is linear regression from the machine learning. We use this predictive model like linear regression to analyze historical data and forecast like for future demand. Alright, so for the third, we use LLMs and AI system. We lean on large language model to power our interactive chatbot and provide intelligent, personalized recommendation to user. Next, this is the system architecture. For the first layer, which is the presentation layer, this provide the front-end interface. Is the responsive mobile and web app that our user interact with daily. And for the second layer, sorry, Doctor?
Tak ada apa.
For the business logic layer, this acts as the brain of our application. It processes user requests, handle user management, run data validation, and manage our RESTful API. This is the layer where the data and the parameter is passed to the data layer. And for the third layer, which is the data layer, this handles our database and storage, ensuring secure access control, label breakup, and relational data integrity. And lastly, the last layer, which is our integrated layer. This is where the magic happen and the algorithm is done their work. It communicates directly with our data layer to pull information, process it through the prediction model and recommendation engine, and send smart insight back to the user. Alright, so for the technical overview, we choose Kotlin. This allows us to build a highly optimized, modern, and seamless user experience. For the backend, we are using Firebase. Firebase actually we choose Firebase because it actually gives us a powerful real-time database alongside scalable, secure backend cloud service that easily grow with our user base. And for the AI component, we choose this specific model because it gives us the high-level intelligence need for our chatbot and recommendation, while remaining incredibly fast and cost-effective, or like OpenAI. All right.
Next, for AI modules, we use the prediction module AI to forecast demand using historical data. And we use rule engine AI to trigger alert, threshold, expiry, or constraint. And lastly, we use the AI assistant, which is the chatbot, to answer queries and provide recommendation. Next. The impact to the community for our platform is it can lead to a better resource distribution, reduce waste and inefficiency, increase sustainability, and increase for wider production. Overall, the platform supports some smarter and more sustainable communities. Next, we move to demonstration.
Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate about how to use our application which is for rental equipment hub. Let's hop in. So as you can see, we need to put our email and password, but before that we need to create an account. So basically I already have an account, so I just log in first. After login to the apps, you can see the homepage over here. So in the homepage, you can see the rental dashboard and the system insights. I will go through for the rental dashboard first. As you can see, you can look at the select equipment node. In the select equipment node, there are a lot of the equipments here. So you just simply pick the equipment that you want to use. So I will give the example for the tennis racket. And then you just simply click the select location. For the select location, it will generate the nearest venue for the sport equipment that you pick. So I will just pick the Unified Arena since it is the nearest one. Okay, so then you need to select that. Okay, I will choose the 27th of June and end the rental on the 28th of June. And you simply click the save. Alright, after you already pick everything that you want, you can simply click the go for rental. But before that, if you look at the system insights over here, it will tell you about the most popular sport, the price of the each equipment. For example, that I choose the tennis racket, it will say that the tennis racket 20 ringgit per day. And if you can look the bottom over here, you say that the status is excellent because it just rented only 4 times. So click the go for rental. Rental is confirmed. Look over here, the AI opinion. Moving on, if you want to track back your history, just simply click the 3 lines over the tab left hand side over here. So you can see the home, history, coach and rules. For the admin dashboard, I will explain later. So if you want to look at your history, just click the history. Like this, yes. Now we look at the coach and rules. So the coach and rules is basically about the AI that will help you if you want to ask anything. You can go over here, select the topic, and choose the tennis if you focus on tennis. Okay, as you can see here, I asked the AI, give me Novak Djokovic training routines. So the AI coach will give everything that you need over here. Okay. For the admin dashboard, it is actually for the admin to use to track back the database. So this is not implement to the user application, but I will show you guys to prove that our apps very track about the rental equipment. For the last, if you want to log out, just click the log out button. Simple.
Okay, I want to explain about the admin dashboard. So the admin dashboard is actually the what we call the administration use. So in the video, I say that I will show. So I will show it here. Can you guys look over here? No. Wait.
I think you better remove your background first because all we can see is penguin.
Sorry. Can you look over here? Okay, sorry if you if too blurry or you cannot
Sekejap
see.
je, macam mana saya nak tengok ya? Sekejap.
Stop
Saya
it.
buat ni.
Okay. For your information, doctor, why I'm not showing admin dashboard in the video because the admin dashboard cannot be screen record. because of our security feature.
I understand.
So for better understanding, if we send the ones in the WhatsApp, we can screenshot or screen record. So it simply the same thing for the admin dashboard. So that's why I just need to show you this.
Okay, tapi tak nampak lah.